Good to have you back, viewers. Pilot Darren Froggatt speaking here. Yes, we are going to take you today out of Moorabbin Airport in an Alpha 160, freshly imported from New Zealand. So we're going to cruise up runway 35 left at Moorabbin Airport, one of the shorter runways into a northerly wind, and we're going to take you towards the Melbourne Central Business District for a quick cruise around, and then back to YMMB Moorabbin. So for you pilots out there, enjoy. For you non-pilots, enjoy. For sightseers, enjoy. And welcome to Australia. Heading out of Moorabbin, we generally try to kill the fuel pumps at about 500 feet, and we head out over Sandringham. And then with a bit of communication with Melbourne radar, we track coastal towards the CBD, and on the nose there you'll see Albert Park Lake, home of the Melbourne Grand Prix. We then get clearance into the Melbourne CBD, this time at 1,500 feet that you can see on the altimeter there, just towards the bottom left of your screen, and we get cleared into a left circuit this time around, which takes us over the, well, pretty much close to the Balti Bridge, which you saw just there. And then after one circuit, we head out towards Brighton and Sandringham to get clearance back into Moorabbin Airport, again at 1,500 feet. Tracking in coastal, and then clearance in depending on the wind direction to Moorabbin Airport. In this case, we were maintaining the same wind direction as per the direction when we left, which was a northerly wind, so tracking into runway 35 left. So enjoy the final approach in the Alpha 160. This is Pilot Dazza signing off on our final approach to 35 left, which you can see there at the front of the cabin, and dropping down now to 300 feet.
We have missed you.
Into the final stages of what we hope will be a lovely landing. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time.
To land, Victor Charlie Fox, thanks.